Line 2 and line 4 are going to be the movers. Line 1 and line 3 are going to stay exactly the way we do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to take our first up. Line 2 and line 4 are going to move into the line in front of you. You've got to be in line by the second one. So you're going to go 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after you've got to be in your window. Okay, so back up.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody's got to be there for 4. You can't be looking at me. You've got to be that way on 4. All right, now.
When do we have to be in one line?
You're in one line, yeah.
When?
We'll have to. I'm by 2. Oh. By 2. Okay, you got me so far? All right, now 1 and 3, you're not going to do anything. 2 and 4, I'm talking to you right now.
Do.
Stand up, Jennifer.
Yay!
You went to line 2, right? Okay. She's going to turn the way you guys always turn. This is what 2 and 4 are going to do. Your E's are going to do the same thing. So you just watch from here. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to be here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 4 center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. You got to be there on 8. Okay, again. So I finished here. So then there's the break, and it goes 1, dot, 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 dot. Stop. Now then the second one comes. Stop. I've got to listen to me. I've got to get back where I started, right? So here we ended up there. Go back. My 2 lines. It goes back. Turn to the left shoulder 4. You're gonna move over, step to step, side to side 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. So this is the second turn. Back 4, turn 4, side 8. 1, 2, 3, turn left. Turn, stay right in that place. Over. Okay? So this is how you do it. You're going back, you're turning, and then you're going over. Okay?
We got 4 lines again.
And then you've got 4 lines again. Okay, that's fine. What? No, okay. From the
Toma!
Wait, what? Was she 1 or 2? Was she 1?
She's 1.
No, she stays. Okay, from the
For right now.
16
Hey,
comes
go to 5. Otherwise, you're wiggling all over. You're making tops all over. Okay.